Hi, my name is Tammy Trotman, and I am an independent Scentsy director and an admin with the All About Samples Independent Scentsy Consultant Facebook group. We just launched today a new system to be able to store all of our sample labels that we've prepared for you. We've had a lot of people asking to bring Dropbox back, but we've decided to go with Google Drive instead. It's still a free storage system for us, and it actually gives us about 7.5 times the amount of storage that Dropbox had. So we don't have to worry about running out of space to be able to provide you the labels that you would like to use for your business. So I'm going to go ahead and talk you through the process today of how to access these files. If you're not familiar with Google Drive, I will also show you how to set up a Google account if you don't already have one. If you are familiar with Google and Drive, then you should be good to go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you just so that you can get an idea of how to do this. First thing you need to do is go to Facebook, go to your All About Samples page, and scroll down to the announcement where Lori gives us the the link to the Google Drive account. As you can see, it shows that I'm signed out because it says I need to sign in. I know I'm in the right place because it says sample labels, Avery, and PDF are the two folders. You can see in going back and forth, it's just giving me a download option. That means it's going to download the entire file, which you may not want to do. You may not want to actually put the entire thing into your device that you're using right now. So I would suggest not doing it that way. So make sure you go ahead and sign in. If you have an account, set one up. If you don't have an account, you can create one. I'm going to set it up for myself. I'm going to put in my name. And I need to use a password. And I keep doing this. My fingers are not wanting to cooperate today. All right, hold on 1 second for me, please. All right, so I've gone ahead and entered my information for setting up my phone number as my recovery system. It also has a recovery email address. If you want to put that in there, you can. And it needs your birth date. I don't exactly know why, but we'll give it to them anyway. Could probably find out why. I'm going to go ahead and agree to all their terms and agreements. I've used Google forever. Love it, so I have no issues with that. Now you'll notice this looks a little bit different. It does not give me those automatic download buttons. It shows me that I can actually access these files. Now if I go in here to Avery, again, you're going to see this looks very similar to Dropbox in that we've broken them down into categories that you'll find in your catalog or your website. Avery, this is set up so that if you wish to download this file to your computer, you'll be able to then upload the project into avery.com and be able to edit your information in terms of putting your contact information in there for the sheet of labels. It's very, very easy. So you would just go in here, you'd find the label that you want. You can either, I think it's a lot easier just to right click on the file. It shows you what you can do with it. You can add it to your drive, or you can download it directly to your computer or to your device that you're using. And I will just add it there to my file. It's the Scentsy Soak Amazon Rain, and I'm good to go. Now I could go to avery.com, sign in, upload this project, and edit my information. If you have any questions about how to edit your information on the Avery labels, feel free to check out the other video that we have done on that. All right, so if I wanted to just go ahead and get the download of the PDF without editing my information, maybe I have a sticker I want to use or a stamp I want to use, or I want to handwrite that information. It's totally up to you. I always suggest putting your contact information on there so your potential customers can have the way to reach back to you, okay? So you're going to go in here to PDF. You'll notice we do have car bar clips in here. You are able to do a sample of a Car-Bar clip because when we order these from the website or from your workstation, it comes in a package of 2. They are individually sealed, so if you wanted to keep one for yourself or give one to 2 different customers, you can. Basically you don't need to use 2 at a time potentially in the car, so you don't necessarily want to have one running out of the fragrance before you're ready for it. So do not cut the Car-Bar clips, do not cut Car-Bars, do not cut scent circles, but you can use these as a sample because again, they're 2 individually things, just like the dryer disc. So again, you can, if you wish, you can double click on this. You can print it from here. You can download it from here. You can save it to your drive from here. Or you can just right click again, like I showed you in the Avery file, and you can download it from here or also save it to your drive. So I'm going to go ahead and download, save it to my documents, Car-Bar clip, black raspberry vanilla sample label. And now I'm good to go. It's as simple as that. Now again, a lot of times you're not going to want all of the labels, so this is why we suggest not downloading it all to your computer or to your phone, whichever device you're using. Just go to the one that you want, make your life a little bit easier in that respect, so that you don't have to worry about being able to find what you need. We will be updating the drive as we get new products. So next month when we get the holiday fragrances, we'll be sure to add those in there. Every month when we get new scents of the month for the different regions, we'll be adding those in there as well. When we start a new season, we'll add the new ones in there. I don't see us removing anything since we have so much storage space. There are a lot of people who have older fragrances, so they want to still be able to access those discontinued fragrances. They'll still be in there. You'll notice our labels are not organized by region. We expect you to be able to look in your catalog or your website and see which fragrances you have access to. They are all listed alphabetically, so it should be easy to just scroll through. You will find there are a lot of fragrance labels in there for wax, so you might need to scroll for a little bit if you're looking for Zen Garden or something. It's going to be down there, obviously, at the bottom. So if you have any questions about accessing the Google Drive, please don't hesitate to let us know. If you ever find any misspellings or typos in our labels, please also let us know so we can correct those as soon as possible. If there's anything we can do to help you with your sample making business for Scentsy, please reach out, and we're always here to help you in any way we can. We hope you guys have a great day, a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.